welcome. If you've ever needed to quickly find an email you sent to someone using Gmail on your phone, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you step by step how to locate your sent emails, even if you sent them a while ago or can't remember exactly when. This updated process works whether you're on an Android or iPhone. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll usually spot the familiar red and white envelope icon right on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll see the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap it. A side menu will slide out, revealing different sections of your inbox. From here, scroll down until you see the Sent option. Tap on it, and just like that, you'll enter your Sent folder. This area stores every email you've sent from your account, neatly organized in one place. Now let's make searching for a specific email easier. At the top of the page, beneath the search bar, you'll notice a few filter options. Tap on To. This lets you quickly narrow down your sent messages by recipient. When you select To, you can either pick a contact from your suggestions or type in the name or email address of the person you sent the message to. As soon as you choose or enter the right contact, Gmail will instantly filter your sent folder, showing only the emails you sent to that person. This method is a real time saver, especially if you have hundreds or even thousands of sent messages. With just a few taps, you'll find the exact email you're looking for. That's all there is to it. Whether you need to confirm a message was sent, resend an attachment, or just double-check details, finding your sent emails in Gmail is fast and simple when you follow these steps. Thanks for tuning in.